Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace tennis grip step by step. Peel the old overgrip from the top, pulling slowly and keeping tension to avoid tearing. Wipe the handle to remove sweat and debris so the new tape bonds well. Inspect the butt and end tape to ensure a tidy finish before continuing to the next step. In this video, I will show how to replace tennis grip step by step. Position the tapered end of the new grip at the butt, securing it with one wrap and steady tension. Overlap each turn uniformly to create consistent thickness and feel across the handle. Keep the wrap tight but not stretched out of shape, and pause to realign if any wrinkles appear. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that lifts your mood after a sweaty match. I use mine after practice to feel refreshed on the drive home, and it pairs nicely with a fresh grip routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace tennis grip step by step. Once you reach the top, cut the excess grip so it fits flush under the final wrap and apply finishing tape. Press the tape firmly around the handle to lock the grip in place and create a clean edge. Take a few practice swings to confirm comfort, then tighten or rewrap if the grip feels uneven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.